Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's afternoon I shared NZD CHF trade signal in my Telegram channel. If you haven't followed yet, the link is in description. It's completely free service and you can join it right now. So let's understand what was the logic behind this trade, this long trade. We will understand the reasons one by one. Now, coming on to the daily time frame, the first reason, which was pattern itself. You know it's quite observable. You can just observe it by your naked eyes. You know it's it was at continuously uptrend and it just broke the major trend line. Now it consolidated for a while where it came to retest the major trend line again. Now this is the area of confluence where the price has came and now it may rise up. So this was my first reason. The second reason what I see is the zone area. It has taken many supports here. One time, second time, third time, fourth time, and now this is fifth time. This was my second reason. Coming on to the candlestick. What candlestick has to say? Let's see. Now candlestick, it was forming is a type of bullish engulfing candle, and I think that by today itself it can go somewhere around here, making an bullish engulfing candle, which is an indication of a bullish view in this particular pair for the coming few weeks or maybe month, I guess, if it gives a breakout. Now this was two reasons. The third reason was not so accurate, but I just considered it as one of the confirmation, which was SMEs and EMA support. It, you can see it's very close, so I might consider it as an EMA support. This was the talk of the daily time frame. Now coming onto the smaller time frames in 4 hour time frame, what we here see is, okay, let's come to one time frame Roa, which is 1 hour time frame. Now see the confirmation which my indicator awesome oscillator gave. What was the confirmation? Divergence. Uh, to those who are watching my videos previously, they must be knowing how I take divergence signals from awesome oscillator. Um, Let me show you how it gave me a reversal signal. Now see, the price is continuously coming down, but the indicator is rising up. What does it indicates? It indicates a divergence. And what does divergence indicates? Divergence indicates the trend reversal. The major trend of the market was bearish. You see the price came making lower lows and lower highs, and now this divergence, what can I understand by this divergence? That price may reverse now. Now price may reverse now. This was my fourth confirmation. Now the last confirmation, which was my triggering point. What was it? The candle is itself. You see, it's making a bullish engulfing candle. Now, which was my entry point? I entered somewhere around here after the closing of this bullish engulfing candle, and I took a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 2. Nothing to keep at support or resistance. I just simply look on risk to reward ratio. I usually prefer 1 is to 2. Now the trade has already surpassed more than 1 is to 1.5 level. Just waiting for it to completely hit my target, and I'll be closing somewhere around here. I think by today itself it must give us the target. So this was all. I hope you like, and if you have any query regarding anything about trading, you can personally message me on my Telegram. I will be very happy to help you. And for trading signals and trading updates, you could join my Telegram, and every link is provided in the description. Instagram link and Telegram link, any link, and my personal Telegram link too. So you can go and check out and join it. If you haven't subscribed yet, Just do it. Thank you so much.